Hi everyone. Today we will review classifying, labeling, and measuring angles. First, let's look at an acute angle. An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. This is an acute angle because it's less than 90 degrees. So is this one. And so is this angle. All these angles are less than 90 degrees, so they are acute. Next is a right angle. A right angle is an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. So I'm going to do my best drawing a right angle, but this is almost a right angle. And what we do is we put this little symbol in here, and this means that it's a right angle and it's 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. So an obtuse angle could look like this, could look like this, could look like this, and it could look like this. These are obtuse angles because they're greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Finally, we have a straight angle. And a straight angle looks straight. And a straight angle is 180 degrees. Okay, so it's halfway around a circle. It's 180 degrees. It's time to play Name That Angle. Classify angle X, Y, Z. Try this one. Classify angle W, X, Y. And how would you classify this angle? Angle PTS. And how would you classify angle BCD? And how would you classify angle FGH? And how would you classify angle EFG? So now we're going to review labeling angles. Really easy. When you label an angle, you use the angle symbol. And then you always start on one ray. So in this case, C. And then the point where they meet is D. And then the other ray, E. The second one would be angle W, X, Y. And finally, this one would be angle F, G, H. Now I'm looking at this, and I really don't like the way I drew this one because it almost looks like an L. So I'm going to erase that and fix it. So let me erase that. We're going to make that look like an angle symbol and not a L. There we go, that's a little better. And that's our review of angles, of labeling angles. Okay, so now what we're going to do is review measuring angles. We use our protractor here. Remember, we have to line up the bottom line right here. And where the 2 points meet, the vertices, is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm lining it up. Looks like it's maybe a little off, so I'm going to adjust that just a little bit. Now that's right in line. I'm going to move it over just a little bit. Oops. I got it right about there. If you take a look, and we looked, that's right between the 80 and the 90. Of course, since this is on 0, we're going this way. And that right in the middle is 85. So we're going to say this is 85 degrees. So if we're going to say angle OPQ is 85 degrees. It's also an acute angle. Now you're going to try some on your own. I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you one, and then you're going to tell me how many degrees it is. How many degrees is angle TUV? Okay, tell me, what is the measurement of angle WTS? What is the measurement of angle NOP? What is the angle, or the measurement of the angle, ATB? That's all for this video. Thanks for doing your best and doing a great job.